Quick honey cinnamon cake in the toaster oven. Dr. John A. Aloka. July 16, 25. www.aloka.com. Endorsed by Chef Poochie. See recipe in the comment section. Ingredients: 1½ cups water, 1/2 teaspoon sea salt, 1/2 cup organic extra virgin olive oil, plus some for the pan, 1/2 cup organic raw honey, plus some for the top, 3 cups organic unbleached white flour, 2 tablespoons baking powder, 2 teaspoons xanthan gum, ground cinnamon for the top. Add some olive oil to the bottom of a 9-inch by 13-inch by 1-inch pan. Mix all ingredients well with a wooden spoon. Spoon mixture into the pan. Smooth the top of the mixture with a wet tablespoon. Sprinkle some honey and cinnamon on top. Bake in a toaster oven or regular oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. It is really important to use organic flour because non-organic flour may contain glyphosate, Roundup, which can lead to food allergies and sensitivities. 100 grams equals approximately 44 grams carbohydrates and 250 calories. Chef Poochie and Dr. John wish you health and happiness. Buon appetito! Visit www.aloka.com for more recipes and information on essential health. Unlock your physical and mental wellness potential.